So give me a little bit of background as to yourself, where you started and how you got to where you're at now.
I grew up in a real estate family. I was always just enamored by what my dad was doing with the bricks and the sticks, fixing up a Victorian house from the ground up that he just gutted. And it was so cool to see all of that happening. But I really didn't get that skill, hammering nails and using power tools, and think of myself as a little bit handy, but not on the level that he was able to, put these homes together. But I knew I wanted to be in real estate. So it was really just by fortune that I found the note industry where you can create value in real estate, but without swinging a hammer. And that has just made all the difference because I saw that potential when I first met the founders of US Mortgage Resolution in 2011. I was a junior in college and heard Joe Downs talking about this crazy industry of distressed debt. They were buying second position mortgages and then helping the borrowers come up with resolutions, loan modifications, and deed in lieu of foreclosures, or just short payoffs sometimes. And I saw that I could use my ability to type on a computer and pick up the phone to get deals done, whereas my dad was doing it all with his own literal sweat equity. That really was what got me into the business, working with US Mortgage Resolution. And the first day I was in the office, I was looking through the physical collateral files, looking to complete exception reports, letting them know, like, do we have the notes? Do we have the mortgages? The assignment chains, the allowance chains, is everything tight? And I had no clue what I was doing. So just learning on the job. And then now it's been 14 years in May